Welcome back. I am Emily with Net Paid Bands, and I'm here to give you the tips and tricks for a fall-friendly fall without breaking the budget. Because let's be honest, fall's my favorite season. Love it. Love everything about it. It's literally great. With the cold weather, pumpkin spice, you name it, apple spice, pumpkin bread. Start with Starbucks menu. So good. So stay tuned. Make sure to always like our videos if you're excited for this video. And stay tuned to see what we have in this fall-friendly, budget-friendly video. First things first, let's talk about a free, 100% free. You can go on a nature hike. Fall is a great time to go on a nature hike. You can see the changing colors. You can see all the pine cones on the ground, the acorns. You can see the animals in fall. It's a great, great way. Plus, you're not sweating bullets. Personally, I just went on a 2-mile walk with my dog, Willow. Not only is it great exercise for her and myself, but it makes her chill out at night, which is honestly, let's be honest, easy for both of us. And so that's a great activity to do that is 100% free. Next, if you absolutely love fall decorations or even decorations in general, like me, fall girly, love it. You can go outside and get acorns, you can get pine cones, you can get leaves. Granted, those are all free. Then you can go to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has a plethora of like glitter, paint. They even have wreath holders that you can make wreaths in. So this is a great idea to make crafts. You can make wreaths, garland, you can make filler, if you want to put candles, tons of stuff that you can do that's on a budget. Plus bonus points if you bring the kiddos in, because not only does it make you have cute decorations, but it gives them something to do as well. Next is a bonfire. Who doesn't love a good s'more here and there? I've actually just saw these new things. They're called savory s'mores. Look like a game changer. You put like cheese and then you put bread. Ooh, so good. But there's always, you can do that, or you can listen to music. Super inexpensive. Plus the smoke keeps the bugs away. Granted, fall, less bugs, love that. But the smoke will help keep the bugs away. Go ahead and comment your favorite s'more. Are you a sweet, a savory? Have you ever heard of savory s'mores? Just found them out. I'm going to try it out this year. So let us know in the comments what your go-to s'more recipe is. Another thing you can do is go to your local farmer's market. This is not only supporting local, but it's usually cheaper than going to the store. I go in the summer, and then I also go in the fall. Completely different produce, completely different items that are there, which is also super fun to see. Me personally, I go every Saturday. It is from 6 in the morning where I live to noon. And then I also have a tiny little town one that's on Wednesdays from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So it's nice to see the difference that they have. The tiny town ones is like a lot of honey and a lot of crafts, while the bigger one that I go to is a lot of produce, a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables, baked goods, you name it. It's tons of stuff. But it's a great way to support locals. And finally, we can't forget about a classic. So having a movie night. Halloween movie night, everyone loves a spooky movie. You also know like Family, ABC Family always does the 30 Day of Halloween movies, just like they do for Christmas. So the one, you can watch that, then you don't have to get movies, or any streaming services usually has a holiday category that you can pick from and watch movies. Super cheap to do, just pop some popcorn, get your favorite candy, and watch your movie. And there you have it. There's a guide for a budget-friendly, fall-friendly activity list that you can not only do with your friends and your family, or you can do it by yourself. Again, if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up and leave a comment or subscribe. And as always, we'll see you guys next time.